Ready over!
Search me.
585, take one, A camera.
Action!
This all began on the train to Cardiff, appropriately enough, because Mark and I were both working on different episodes of Doctor Who. And we sat on the train together. We always get to sit on the train together so we could chat. And we talked about our other great obsession, which was Sherlock Holmes.
The name's Sherlock Holmes and the address is 221B Baker Street.
We did this little dance, not literally, in the compartment around the fact that our favourite Sherlock Holmes is still the Basil Rathbone, Nigel Bruce movies of the 30s and 40s.
We thought they were actually rather more fun, and in certain ways, in certain tonal ways, certain humorous ways, truer to the originals than many grander and more important film versions. And what we kept saying to each other was, you know, someday someone is going to think of doing that again. Someday someone is going to do Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson in the modern day. And then we thought, and we'll feel so cross because we should have done it. And we had this conversation, I don't know, 20-odd times probably, over years.
And then suddenly it formed very quickly, the idea, and a very exciting train journey and in a very Sherlock Holmes way. I'm sure that we were sitting either side of a compartment going like that. Yeah. It was a proper Sherlock Holmes journey. The idea of blowing away the fog from it. And
I once mentioned it to my wife, Sue, who said, well, why don't you do it?
And it was a kind of light bulb moment of like, you know, we should just do this present day.
And that's when it properly began. We actually started focusing on putting it together as opposed to bemoaning the fact that someone else was bound to do it first.